In this video, we will explain the meaning of the communication error in Midea inverter air conditioners related to the failure in communication between the indoor and outdoor units. In most units, this error is indicated by the code E1, although it may vary for some models. 1. When a communication error is detected, turn off the unit, disconnect the power supply, and wait for several minutes before turning it back on. 2. After a few minutes, turn the unit on and check if the problem persists. 3. Visually inspect all the electrical connections of the equipment, looking for loose or damaged wires. 4. Use a multimeter to check if the voltage supplied by the electrical network is adequate. 5. Measure the signal voltage, which should be measured between the wire connected to the S terminal and the neutral wire, placing the red probe of the multimeter on the signal wire and the black probe on the neutral. 6. Depending on the data transmission, for some manufacturers like Midea, when the unit is operating normally, the voltage measured on the signal wire fluctuates between positive and negative values. 7. For models where the signal fluctuates between negative and positive values, if the external electronic control unit is not functioning properly, the voltage values on the signal wire will always be positive. 8. For other brands of air conditioners, with a different data transmission protocol, when the unit is operating normally, the voltage measured on the signal wire always fluctuates between positive values. 9. As a general rule, if any electronic control unit is not functioning correctly, the voltage values measured in the previous step will always be constant. 10. Before making any replacements, it is recommended to measure the electrical continuity in the reactor located in the outdoor unit, using the multimeter on the continuity scale. 11. If you have access to the outdoor unit's board, check if it is functioning. Locate the LED diodes and see if they light up. 12. If the outdoor electronic board is not functioning, there may be a problem in the power factor control circuit. To fix it, you should check the rectifier bridge, the IGBT transistor, the diode, or the controller of this circuit. Also, check the condition of the tracks on the electronic board. 13. You could also locate the communication circuit by looking for the pair of optocouplers, checking the values of the resistors, electric capacitors, and diodes in this area. 14. Check the capacitors on the electronic board, as they store energy and help regulate the power supply in an air conditioner. If they are defective, they can cause a communication error. 15. In some cases, the error code may be due to a software error. To perform a factory reset, refer to the owner's manual and follow the instructions.